before coming into this life, do we choose it? Why would we choose to come to this human experience and go through so many life challenges? What is the meaning and purpose of pain and suffering?
This life of ours is one part of the chain which you have gone through and you will be going through. At some stage, the choice to the souls are there, but in most of the cases, depending upon the karmas and depending upon what you had at the time of your death, you will carry forward, and according to that, your next birth will be. Second thing, what you have to remember, that it is not for suffering. Karmas, when we do good karmas and bad karmas, when we do karmas with our ego, we come back to enjoy those karmas or to suffer those karmas. It's not only suffering. If we have done good, we will come to enjoy, and if we have done bad, we will come to suffer. Now, as I always keep saying, that enjoyment and suffering is the same line and it goes together. Even today, you will have some enjoyment and some suffering. It's never that everything is bad or everything is good. Good and bad goes together, depending upon what we have done in our previous lives, depending upon what karmas we have done in this life. Our course of life gets decided in the future. We should not get involved with all this and try and remain detached. Try and experience what we are experiencing and think that it is for a reason. And the moment we think that it is for a reason, our sufferings automatically, it starts going down. I know that some of the people have suffered a lot in the life, but I will request them to go back and see in their lives, they have not only suffered, they have also enjoyed the life. So, you have not come here for suffering, please remember. You have come here to enjoy, to work, and to work to achieve completeness, to work to finish your ego, and work so that you become source, so that you identify yourself. Yourself is nothing other than source. Thank you.